one of our songwriters talk say, if you ask me, now who I go ask? The matter where you see so. This one not heavy for mouth. That now why on top the show today, your one and only na your health. If you dey look also, it means say that now waiting you dey watch. And if na me be you, I no go even shift my gaze because we have come to you today as we carry the collabo we concern lifestyle and well body to send you betterment gist on top your health and everything we concern you. You know as we dey do I'm on top the show now. My name na Dr. Adora and I know they ever waka alone. But before I introduce my baby girl, the matter where they ground today, like I talked before, you know they're heavy for mouth. It concerns some kind things where you got to know as a preggy mama, you understand, to make sure that you have a healthy pregnancy. You don't say you go down there hear plenty things. Once people just know say you don't carry belly, different advice will be coming from left, right, and center. They have all kinds of things to tell you. But today on top of the show, I want to give you some things that will make you to just rest. If you know these ones, you are on top of your game. You understand? You have carried first in the matter. And right about now, let me introduction. In fact, oh God, if now she now the way she go they sing song, you know, say me I not be writer, I not be composer, but she be like say she get her for her body. But if you see her today, she have come and be shimmer and shining. Hey, the sparkles, everything about her is looking great. She's looking bebelicious. Oh God. Oh
He's
God.
Great.
But you know that we come and do color code.
You know what? We don't always feel, no, we have to feel ourselves.
Why are you like this?
When it's around the time of a weekend, we just need to look good and feel good, you know. Some people don't smell party right so they never see. I don't understand how a director can be smelly. They say what the eye does not see, the mouth, you know, they won't talk it. Yeah. Let me tell them, because they see us for looking no one beige. They're already feeling that the flight lights and the love is coming from somewhere. Oh, why? Oh. All right, so today, on top of the better collabo with Lifestyle Plus, including Well Body, we're going to give you some essential tips what you need to do as a woman that is carrying or we don't swallow better frog. That's what we talk about for my place. Now, on a more serious note, based on statistics level, they say now about 400,000 pregnant women, they die every year. That one means they don't survive this pregnancy when it comes to childbirth. If you want calculator, make we even reach another level of calculation. They say out of 1,000 pregnant women, 576 of them know they survive them. So if you say that heavy frog where you swallow, if you don't burn them once, twice, 3 times, you are a living testimony. It's not by your power or your might. So many people, they do like this before they even drop one picking. So that's why on top of the show today, we they bring you some essential things that can only be gotten only on top of this show. So you're welcome.
You're welcome. Yes. The first thing where you got to do once you, in fact, left to me, the advice why they give you say, if you know say you don't reach that time where you want carry belly, you need to prepare yourself. Prepare yourself. You plan ahead. But if you want to hear the gist of the planning ahead, then you got to wait because we're going to buy a break. When we come back, we'll give you the gist you got to know on top planning ahead for your pregnancy. Don't go anywhere. We is coming back.
Bam. No go anywhere. Now your health will soon return. Now your health will return.
If you just they look me so, it means say you waka well on top the show now your health because this is the time when we want to start the better badman gist we concern you as a mama we won't carry belly or mama we don't already carry belly. And you know the way we do it on this show, we don't like to slack you. So if you want to communicate with us, please, we're on a Facebook, we're on a Twitter, we're on a Instagram, every platform that you can think of. Just reach out to us. We will reach out to you. Even if you don't fit, reach out to us. Find a way. We're going to get back to you. And if you want to choke mouth on top of the matter, remember that we are always there for you. Just do it the way we do it, and you will see the results that you need to find. Now, we want to talk about, the essential things to help you, catch out during your pregnancy, or like I was saying before we go on the break, before you even enter the pregnancy level, it's good that you prepare your body, eat right, be healthy, do what you got to do to make sure, Then when you can't enter, yes, when that time have now come, like we talk, plan ahead. What do I mean by planning ahead? Please make sure that you are going and come and see the doctor. You understand? On your to-do list, your very first to-do list is that you have to come and take what in Oyibo they call folic acid. You understand? We like to recommend 400 micrograms. Now, I'm not telling you this one so that you now come and dodge the doctor. No. But this one is essential. Why? Because it they help to build your blood, strength. Because this period that you have come and carry a baby, you are growing another person in your body. Easy. Just by yourself, you're just growing another human being in your body. So everything that you used to have inside of you needs a reinforcement, and you need to refurbish the area. And that is what folic acid will do for you. It will help you. Then you also take what they call 1B vitamin like that. We go help to avoid some kind of nonsense and malformations where they happen for some kind of people, or what they call them neural tube defects. All these things, when they happen, you go come make person, you come born, mumu, go for be bad thing. So if you go to your doctor, he will recommend this thing where I just talk, folic acid and vitamin B supplements. It will help you to make sure that your baby is developing in the right way.
And of course, if they live some kind of lifestyle, now you don't swallow better frog. That one means say some kind of lifestyle way they do, you need to stop them. Social lifestyle like drinking, alcohol, even if you do it with swag, oh baby, plus that swag, plus that cigar, drop it. Leave it first. It's no longer your life we're talking about. We're talking about a newborn innocent life. We no need to get any small command for him body because nobody only him force himself to come into this world. Now, so they talk him now. Of course, you need to do it. You need to schedule. Now, me say plan. Still on top planning, you need to plan to go for checkup. Yes, they call antenatal or prenatal. You need to go for checkup. You need to make sure say your doctor even do better test on you to confirm whether or not you get a STI. That's one they call them a sexually transmitted infection. Yes, because if you get that kind of thing, you fit to transfer onto your pikin, not be even by your own making, because now inside your belly day. You know, such they chop, your pikin to the chop. In fact, Abigail, remember one time when even myself, I know they take calcium that time. One day I just wake up, I know if you come up from bed. I just say that people for village they pursue me. I say, hey, they don't start to. I know if you walk out. Make una help me. Now one of my cousins way before my say, oh baby, she lacks. You they take calcium. I say, eh? Calcium again? He say, yes. You don't know so if you not take your pikin, go take the one day they say your body. I say, sure. No. So if you know they take all this multivitamin away, Dr. Dora, don't talk and so. Your pikin no one send you message, you don't send your mama self. You never send the mama where they carry that pikin from. You go collect her for your body. And so you go just they shrink. You want they no go feel waka, you go toss in the village people. Where we say, they follow what you they hear on top of your head. So you need to make sure you do the test where you're supposed to do. You take immunization. The immunization not be for you, now for that your picking. Because if you bring that picking on this world, what the people go collect and back for you? Will they tell you now? Nkechi is not saying so, it is we that is saying so.
You see, even like say you chop, guess what way you chop before you come studio today. I can see it is manifesting you apart from the shine on your body.
No.
Trust me, it's just
shine left.
Now, another thing where they're very, very important in this crucial time. Now, support. Look, you cannot be on island when you are pregnant, please. Whether it is an unwanted pregnancy, you didn't plan it, it just happened, and you make up your mind, you have keep it. Please surround yourself with family and friends. I know say what people go they judge you at that time, but you go still get good friend unless you not be good person. You go still get good friend who go day your side. Surround yourself with those kind of people. Then I say, madam that have born in, please. It's not the time to be doing my husband is away on the other side because of work. Me too, I'm away on this side. If you can help it, if you can't help it, please be around your oga. You understand? Let your oga be around you. Let your family and loved ones, because this thing they help. Because that period you can be very emotional. Before person go for be bad thing, you say, man, not talk that thing I want to talk. But we have heard some things about what some pregnant women do in a pregnancy period because they do not have people around them. So please surround yourself because you need all the support you can get. This is a very trying time of your life. So let people that you know can be there for you, be there for you. Don't isolate yourself. Very, very important.
In fact, you know, say even during labor, Sabino people don't come outside talk, say, if you're there around people where you love, where you know say they truly care for you, during that labor, if you don't feel them that much, in fact, if you don't even need to take any medication, tabina painkiller, because you go there with your loved ones go they gist with you, and in some cases, this one feel help to the level, say, you no need to even do CS if the case of CS even ever comes into the matter. Just because why? Just because you did supported or you did surrounded by people where you love and where you know say this one, this love wey dem get for me is not eye service thing. It is a genuine. It is original from the bottom of their hearts. That's not what I would always talk and say. Surround yourself with anybody where you know say truly get your interest for heart. Because during by that time, hey, I have seen women that are talking in tongues when that labor hits them. Oh no, the two way there for inside their hearts that time. They're going to talk, and if their husband ended for them, they go down, they pour the anger. Hey, that's what they're going to hit the wall. Igbo.
As you they talk, they remember my days as an intern in a hospital. If you see people go just pack women like sardine, you'll be hearing different things. Different things. This one will be shouting, John, it's you that caused it. It's you that caused it. This one go to holler, hey, pray for me. As in different things. Some go to sing, some go to...
I said that time they're not your normal self. The labor advice you say no the kind of hairstyle way they do in the labor.
You understand? Before
because you they pull am. Now so the crest they reach one kind of level where it is not explainable. You need to explain it. I say you go there pull the hair. You know said. Sometimes you will be naked. If they say cover what? Oh, are they shameful? Come on, this thing for my body. Huh? Nah, man. This is not a smart thing. Because
please, it is very, very important that you just surround yourself with, people that will support you and be hearing the right things at this point in time. You understand? If you hold God, hold on where this period because He is all the help that you need at this point in time. Now, another thing where you got to do to find the right practitioner. Please, please, and please. It is not a time to be consulting, try the medical. Please, this is me giving you my own medical advice now. All these traditional herbalists, something, I beg, primary healthcare center day. Just carry yourself, waka go there. You understand? Hook yourself up with an obstetric and gynecologist doctor. Bam. These are the doctors that take care of women, whether in pregnancy or outside pregnancy. It's their work. Oh, we have some very good midwives that they come very highly recommended. Not just they say, nothing they happen. We don't they do after all in those days. Our mothers them. Which how did they take do after hospital? No they. No. Don't do that. The world is changing. So right now it's good to be with Sabinus people that know how to go about this thing so that they can help you. Because anything if it happen, if it be say you they expect twins, all those ones na high risk pregnancy. Hey, you they expect past one, it's already a high risk. Or you see that they have diagnosed you with any medical condition. Or they talk say, okay, or maybe you get something that they call eclampsia, hypertension, and pregnancy. They don't call these kind of things for you. Then you can't sit down for house. Say, especially those people who go say, please, it's church I want to deliver. I'm begging you. Don't try all these kind of things. A word is enough for the wise. Use wisdom. Buy wisdom for yourself. Go register for hospital. See better doctor wey sabi this thing. See better midwife, better nurse. We go take care of you for the. Don't tell me that I believe the Lord. You want to go and born in the hospital. In a church. Please. No. These are not all these kind of things. You get some people where they experience high blood pressure during pregnancy. Then you now say no. You wanna no. If you go to a Sabinus people, the doctors, the midwives, that have been highly certified and come highly recommended, they will catch all these things on time and manage you right. So please, from Dr. Adora to you, from Luchi to you, we're telling you now that you got to put yourself together and make sure that you go to the right people that will take care of you in the right way. Now, we're going to come and
go on a small break.
Yes.
We need to have a small break. By the time we come back, you're not supposed to eat for two when we come back.
No go anywhere. Now your health will soon return. Now your health will return.
All right, yes, you're welcome back on Top of the World Body Plus, including lifestyle. That now we they certify them and they call them now your health. Today we talk about some of the essential tips, tips that you need to know, especially for pregnancy. As you don't chop better frog, we don't make your body yes. If you're just like me, that your nose can swell up during that time, and it can't be like say your face, you be like say them pump water everywhere. Person go see you go say, the frog where you swallow. Oh no, they show you meme. You self will smell. Say don't worry. Very soon I go step down. When I step down, come say it. Hey, oh say it, Ola. Nah man, you know what I'm talking. All right, now with the talk say, make you know they chop for two. You need to eat where. but not eat for two. A lot of people, they talk about as excuse, especially that time when you get craving. You are chopping a donut, ice cream. Somebody go say, hey, you go say, you know, sir, they chop for two now. Ooh, this is not a true. You're supposed to chop better calorie. You're supposed to chop well. If you go meet your doctor will tell you how many calories you're supposed to chop in a day and the kind of things what you need to avoid. You need to take food rich in essential nutrients. Essential nutrients like protein, like even vitamins, high fiber foods, and those kind of things you're supposed to look at. And you need to make sure say you drink plenty water because you go need that to increase the volume of blood for inside your body. You need to make sure say you eat 4 or 5 mini meals. That they call them mini. Now means say no be mountain. Because if you're eating 5 mountain in a day, hey! You know what? You think people they want you. Now time to push. Now that time you go hear when you do to push, you begin to come out. They'll tell you say, you're going to need to tear your belly. So I beg, you need to make sure you eat well, eat right, but do not eat for two.
Do not eat for two. Now before me, I'm eating for two. When you blow like bloom, go nafa. Anyway, it is very, very important also make you know the red flags. Yes, what I mean by knowing the red flags, you get some kind of symptoms where you go see, where go make you know, say, you're understanding, something is going on here. Things like dizziness, be like say your eye they turn you they faint. Be like say when you breathe, shortness of breath, they breathe up. Another thing that they call a rapid, you go be like say they hear your heart, they beat very fast. Or they do you like say you want vomit, or you they actually vomit. Some people they experience this thing. Or when you want waka, they waka small. Be like say they find it difficult to waka. Or it be like say you they experience pain or burning during urination when you go wee or toilet thing where they pain you. Be like say something, no say infection have entered the place. Or you are seeing men as trees. You are seeing double. Everything is just blurry. They call them blurry vision. Or you just they notice increased sweat, the swelling come full everywhere. As in, I know they talk normally pregnant woman they get some kind, this one massive. When people see you, they go give you chance because of the way you don't swell up. All these things now, red flags where you go show. And if you experience maybe decreased fetal activity, until say you don't already, time don't reach, you don't experience, movements for inside your belly, but you can't notice say in a whole one day, let's say you're picking sleep, not wake up. Please, make sure you go and say, doctor, this is not to know the red flags, because they talk say about 1 in every 8 babies that they born them prematurely. So it could make you contact your care provider, whether you're a doctor or your midwife, to find out what is happening at that point in time when you experience some kind of things, especially if the cramp where they feel you don't experience them, you don't pass, be careful. Or be like say they experience gripping backache, be like say something just hold your back, they squeeze them like this, you understand? Or your amniotic fluid, that now the fluid where they inside the womb, don't they leak? Or do they get bleeding from your vagina as a woman? It's very, very important that you run. It's now red flags where you're supposed to take note of and make sure you complain to your care provider.
I beg you need to complain, oh. As a woman wey get belle, you're not even supposed to see 1 iota of blood before the main day. Even if now the one they call spotting. You see spotting, you live and say, you're not too plenty and a small thing. Nah, man, because go to your gynecologist. Let them scan, let us know that that fetus is still in place. Because miscarriage, officially from there, it shall not be a person. Amen. From that one, we need to enter the next one. This one, we say, you need to do what? You need to, I like to move it. You like to move it. Bam. Yes, we're talking about moving, exercise. I know say as woman we get belly, you see laziness, it will be your face name if you live yourself like that. But now, even people, Sabino's people, from the American College of Gynecologists, they come outside talk, say, woman we get belly, you're supposed to do exercise 30 minutes in a day. And guess how many times in a week? 6 to 7 times in a week. You're supposed to do that kind of exercise. Now the exercise, the only way where you know go fit do it, now if you get a particular medical condition, you're exempted. But all things being equal, all things being fit, you are supposed to do exercise. Nobody tells me you go do the strong one. No, You start small, slow, and steady. Of course, you need your doctor to advise you on which of the kind of exercise what you need to do. It go help you when time to push fish. It go help you prevent or relieve you or reduce the back pain you get. Even come out constipation from your body to a certain extent and morning sickness. it shall be a thing far away from you, because by the time you wake up in the morning, hey, your body go say, hey, don't start again. No, man, I want for you. You know they even rep. No, your body needs to be very, very fit. It go even help you make sure you get strong heart and lungs, and it go keep you all through the pregnancy. That one means you are keeping fit and fit.
You know, say, Oyibo people they talk, say, play safe. But this one we want to talk now make you stay safe. You understand what I mean by staying safe? They don't discover, say, injuries now be the leading cause of maternal death during pregnancy. Who talk this one? Now the Center of Disease Control and Prevention. They discover, say, motor vehicle injuries now then be the leading cause of death and injury for pregnant women. So please, please, and please, especially you that come and have your motor. If you don't have motor, I've got to help you when you enter bus. Hide yourself in a place. If you can beg the driver, please let me sit down, let me use the seat belts. Because that seat belts, they don't do research. Discover, say, out of maybe like 10 women who experience injuries and motor accidents like that, we know where their seat belts. 8 of them, we know where. Now them get more injuries and then they're more likely to lose the baby past the 2 we wear. Unto say, when you wear that seat belt, people go talk, say, they're very uncomfortable. I don't mean anything there. No put them across your belly. Put them under the belly like this. That one where they come like this, may come like this. Then the other one where they go up like this. You understand? So it's very, very important that you protect yourself. Another leading cause of injuries or loss of, belly things during a pregnancy is domestic violence. So now, shout out to all the expectant fathers out there. God bless you. God bless you. Shout out to you. Yes, you are doing a great, mighty work. You have put it there and you have scored a goal.
Big goal.
You are very, very... Please, don't score more goal on her body.
Hey.
Don't beat her. Domestic violence, very bad something. I don't know as people don't even get conscience. This kind of period, they see your wife, you not pitying her. You can't, they beat her. They blow her. Because she resembles a punching bag, Abi, because her belly big. Don't try it. Now it be one of the major causes of pregnancy loss and death of mothers during pregnancy. So please, we're imploring you to control yourself. If you know, say you sabi do wrestling where your wife is pregnant, I better leave her alone for that period.
You know, some people they tell them, say, go and find somebody of your own size.
Do you understand? Or buy a punching bag. If it is hungry you, if you want to blow, just enter the room.
Punching bag.
To your punching bag and be hitting you, you understand? Be blowing, please.
Now that one fit
don't blow that woman.
Not be saying a human beings you go to punch anyhow. You be panelita. Wait. Another one where you go need to do, where we always talk. In addition to waiting Dr. Dora don't talk, you need to check any medication where they take. Because some medication, they go right on for them, say if you get belly, no take them. If you get belly, you need to go green. When we say go green, you need to avoid some radioactive things, some things will cause kasala, miscarriage for inside your body. Now, this one are chemicals. And the chemicals, if it be something that they use for household products, if you wait in the day, where they inside the way they stay clean your house, if you even inside some of the beauty products, your pancake, you need to be very careful with what they put on top of your body. You go think say now your surface of your body, they put that pancake. My dear, it penetrates even inside. Over time, it enter your DNA. Over time, your DNA will replicate itself and enter your picking. Over time, you will buy your picking and you start to tell God, why me? Why me? Why me? Oh, not they say that you use your hand.
You never talk about you drink.
My sister, my dear, even when they renovate house, maybe you are moving from one house to another or you are renovating your house, it gets to what they call lead dust. And in the day for those kind of places, I beg, run away. Even when you go hospital, you go say where they write X-ray. Pregnant women, please no go near. Those rays, you cannot see it with your invisible eyes, or with your visible eyes. They cause a lot of havoc for inside your body. So I beg, go green, stay clean, and stay clear.
Stay green and stay clear.
Yay.
Well, at least once in time, we can like to send you more gist on top the Mara, but let me just drop this one. Yes, watch the weight gain, watch it. Because the repercussions are plenty. Let's not even start. If you want to hear more, watch another episode. We gist you on top the matter. At this point in time, we're gonna say goodbye, goodbye, bye-bye.
Bye.
See you next time.
Kashia.
We have composed song.
Now what to you? First single. Shia, Kashia.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, Press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.